Hello world, here's Biti, your Bitcoin trading informant, and here's your daily update in English. We will check what's going on for Bitcoin. Today I made a really long update, 20 minutes in German, but we will make a short one in English now. The big question is, guys, here is the daily time frame, here's the parallel channel to the upside, and we are fighting in the line chart here under the middle line. We lost the middle line, guys. That's really bad for the moment for Bitcoin. We need to watch what's going on here under the middle line. If you're watching the candlesticks, it's looking a little bit different, guys. Why? Let me show you. Here we can make also a parallel channel to the upside, from here to the upside, and here we are still over the middle line. So depends always, are we watching the line chart or are we watching the candlestick chart? These are two different things, guys. If we are watching the candlestick chart, we have here some place to the downside. 40,700 is a big support. Yes, of course, 40,000 is one of the biggest supports ever for the moment. We need to hold this to see more power to the upside. I know it's looking bad. I know everything is telling us we will go down. We see here the market is completely in the red. Everything is going down. We see it here. We have fear in the market. We can see it here if we are watching the news. A week of war, China, Ukraine, war, everything is bad for the moment. So the news are really bad. And if we are watching CoinCodex, if we are watching the price prediction for Bitcoin, this is also bad, guys. Look at this. We are going down really hard here. If you're watching the price prediction, it's telling us we're going down up to 35,000 US dollar. Really bad. We are bearish if we're watching here. We are bearish with 61% and bullish only with 39%. This is telling us the sentiment here from all of these SMAs, EMAs, and so on. And if we are watching the forecast, the 30-day forecast, it's really ugly. I know it. Everything is red. Everything is telling us we're going down 35,000, maybe on March the 11th if we are clicking on show more. Everything is red until April. April, 35,000 again. We will go sideways a little bit to the downside. Not good. I know it, guys. But we are in a nice parallel little uptrend in Biti's world, and we hope we can make a next bullish breakout to the upside on 40,000, 40,700. Depends always, guys. You know it. We may hit the line, or if we can hold 40,000, big thing. Let's keep today in the day chart, in the day time frame, because I showed you on my last videos, we have maybe to watch a nice pattern, to the upside, and I'm still hoping for this one. This is a nice W pattern to the upside, guys, and you know it, the end point for the W pattern is also the start point, 68,000. That's my bullish target, guys. If we can go up more and more, that's a bullish target. I know everything is looking bad. I know everything is telling us, yes, we will go down to 29,000, 30,000. Why? Because here is one of the biggest support zones in the whole life of Bitcoin. I know it, guys. I know it here on the downside, 30,000. I know it. Guys, one thing also I showed you here on a lot of videos. This is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave up. 5-wave Elliott wave theory to the upside. This is also a possible thing, what's making me a little bit bullish for this W pattern to the upside. But I know it, guys, everything is bad for the moment. So, okay, let's check the daily. We are still in the daily time frame. Now we will check the Ichimoku. And the Ichimoku is also a big interesting stuff. Why? I can show you. Let's zoom in a little bit more and you can see it here now. The Ichimoku is here on the downside, blue line, red line. This is here on our big support here, 40,000. So the 9 lengths, 26 lengths of Ichimoku, the blue line, red line, 40,000, big psychological support. And here 40,600, the middle line. Now we have a lot of support here. And if we are watching the next indicator, if we're watching the moving average, no, I would like to watch the EMA ribbon. Too much indicators. No, here it is, EMA ribbon. MACD, if we're watching this one on the downside, what can we see? For the moment, it's going back, it's going down. So, guys, I sold here on the upside. Here we saw a lot of resistance. Here we saw the EMA 200. Here we saw a lot of stuff. The bad thing is we made a lower high. Here was a high, and we made this one here. That's the bad thing. The good news are we are making higher lows. So we are making a little triangle. I will show you this maybe a little bit later. But I sold here on the upside. I'm waiting now what's going on. I'm waiting now for 40,000 for the big support here, and I'm waiting now you can see MACD is going back here. I'm waiting now what's going on. It's always, in my opinion, a nice thing if you're watching the MACD, and if you sell here on the upside, if you see the next candle is a light green one, you can make a sell position. If you can see the next candle is a light red one here, you can make a buy position. That's one thing you can check if you are reading these indicators. So, okay, back to business. You can forget the MACD. I would like to show you this one here. This is the ribbon band, and the ribbon band, you can see here, is the big fight for the moment. We are fighting really big with the ribbon band. We can see on the right side here are the trend lines, the EMA lines, the 55 up to 21 here. You can see this one here, and we are fighting with these lines. So the big thing is, can we stay over the ribbon band or can we stay in the ribbon band? If we will see a confirmed closing candle under the ribbon band, we have a really big problem, guys. We have a really big problem. We need to stay over the ribbon band, and we need to make a pump to the upside. For the moment, the spike was here down to the price about 41,000, and we saw a nice reaction to the upside. Big question: can we move on from here? Yes or no? And if we are watching this one here with our indicator, the dash cross and the golden cross, guys, what is telling us this one? First of all, we need to remove everything. It's too much here. It's really too much. So once again, dash cross, golden cross, what's going on? Here is dash cross. We are still again over the green line, guys. You know it if you're watching my videos. I'm always showing you this one here. EMA, really important. The 51, the green one, is the SMA, not the EMA, the SMA. And this is here a price about 40,370. This is a big support. It's the middle line, it's the green line. We have a lot of support here to watch if we are watching this one on the daily time frame. Really important. I know the weekend is coming. I know this, guys. On most times on weekends, you know it, guys, we have bloody weekends, but we need to hold this area. We need to hold 40,000 and a little bit up to the upside. Really important. Red line here is a resistance, not so important to watch, 49,000. We are in a bad zone. We are in a bad dash cross zone. And as long as we are making lower highs, everything is bad, guys. We need higher highs. Really important. So let's take a quick look on the 4-hour time frame, because we are here maybe near to a golden cross. We saw here a dash cross. It's not so important on the 4-hour time frame. I know it. We saw here a dash cross, and after this, we went up to the upside. Now, maybe we can see in the next few hours a cross to the golden cross. This would be a really important stuff here if we will see a golden cross. This is maybe a next bullish sign to the upside, because we are going down like this and then up to the moon, and up to the moon to 60, 70,000. This would be great. This would be a wish for the Easter rabbit from the little Biti. So, okay, guys, this is the picture for the 4-hour time frame. I'm watching for a golden cross, for a bullish sign. I know for the moment war, everything and so on. Yes, I know it, guys, but I hope for a bullish sign to the upside like this one. I will not make this video too long. One thing I would like to show you last but not least, and this is really important also. Let me show you the line chart. Guys, what happened here on the 4-hour time frame, it was a really nice breakout of an inverse shoulder head shoulder, and I also showed you this in my video. So if you made this trade here, congratulations, because you made millions. I hope for you guys you made millions. Here we saw the trend line. Here we saw the inverse shoulder head shoulder. We broke out to the upside. The technical target was here a price for this one. This was the technical target, and what happened, guys? We reached it perfectly. Here was the target, 44,000. This was the time to go out of the trade. I hope, guys, a lot of you went out of the trade here, and now we're going down to watch what's going on. If you made this trade, guys, you made, I can show you, if you bought here maybe a little bit over this and you sold here on 44,000, you made 10%, a really nice trade. Congratulations. If you made a trade on the right shoulder, dangerous, but yes, okay. With balls of steel, it's possible to make it here on the right shoulder, and you sold here on the upside 17%. Congratulations, balls of steel. So that's the big thing what we are watching for the moment. And remember, guys, we are in a little parallel channel to the upside. Don't forget it. Everything is okay if we are watching this one here. Depends always if you're watching the line chart, if you're watching the candlesticks. You can see it. This is different, guys. We need to watch both things. So that's the short update today, only 10 minutes in English, and I wish you the best of luck. Very important, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Have a nice time, greetings, and please visit here my live stream. I'm live 24 hours, 7 days a week. Everything you need is here. Bye, guys.